So this is the camp that we stayed at last night. We haven't started packing up yet, we've just had breakfast. And this landowner, you pay 20 bucks, shelter, table, do your cooking here. And, a bit further along, up here there's a hot water shower, composting toilet and a place to wash your hands and whatnot. Pretty cool. Good morning. Yeah,
About day 19, I think. Day 19.
Day 19. Today we walk around the Bream Head
walkway, which is a grunt.
Yeah.
Will be a grunt.
Apparently, well, everybody's keeping saying it's going to be a grunt, so I guess it will be.
The elevation profile looks scary.
Had a slight change to our plans. We were hoping to walk or to take a water taxi across the Whangarei Heads and then shoot through to walk through to Reotahi, but the water taxi guy is not working the Savo, so we're going to have to stay on the northern side of the Whangarei Heads. Yeah, we'll find somewhere to stay. There's a camp near where the water taxi works from. Yeah. Bream Head.
5 hours. 5 hours, 10 minutes.
That's beautiful. I'm not too worried where we are. We're somewhere on the pack. So, Ocean Beach, cut through the road there. There's the Marston Point. Finally. There's an island way out there. Big one. Few steps. The problem is I've got to walk up there now. A little bit of bushwalking. This is the radar hut, and it's picking up stuff over there. Oh wow, look at that rock. You ready for some steps?
What?
Wait.
There's more.
There's more. Oh look, you look dishevelled.
Do I? What is that, I wonder? Something to do with sweating my way up and down.
Oh man. There she blows. We walked along that beach yesterday afternoon, well evening. Pretty pretty. So that's the rock. You can climb up and have 360-degree views, but we're a little bit pooped, so we're just going to keep walking on the track. You alright?
Yeah. Really enjoying all the ferns today.
That's beautiful, eh?
Beautiful.
So if you look in the distance, you see Whangarei, miles away. Cutting past this rock. Okay, so we'll come down onto another track. A lot easier. You can get a good pace up. Vivian had a wee tumble. It's a wee tumble, but she's a tough chick. So we're doing a bit of St. John operation here.
Get all that. I'll have to get that out in the shower, I think.
Yeah, I know. Which might be tomorrow. All fixed up, although I didn't kiss it better. On the road again. EMT Vivian has fixed up her knee and she's running again. If you're keen, Peach Cove's got a lovely hut. You just go down there, although there's over 800 steps. I wonder if we go up there. Who knows about such things? Well, we are going up there. I think we sidled around the very top.
And then the track goes on.
Look at that rock. Having lunch, it's about 12:30. We're on one of the summits. If you look that way, we can see where we were for the last 3 days, maybe even 4 days. It's crazy. So I'm quite high, and we hope we start going down. But again, it's pretty pretty. It's pretty hard, and it's pretty beautiful.
According to this, it's Mount Lion we're on.
Okay, we're on Mount Lion. Quite a few steps, eh?
Yes.
More than 3.
Should have been counting them.
How are you, gorgeous?
Right.
You
Beautiful
got a
day.
lovely smile. Let's level it out. Beautiful. And we pop out the last few steps, I think. Well done. That was not easy. Enjoying a bit of tucker. That was hard.
But Te Araroa itself is hard. Every day is hard.
Yeah. The things you do. The wind came along and took her hat away. So she's climbed over a fence into private property.
Electric fence, make sure you say it's an electric fence.
Climbed over an electric fence. You need to slow down, Vivian. Pretty tough life on the TA. Lamb burgers, bit of steak. What more could you want?
Fries.
Oh well. We're walking down to a caravan park where apparently we can camp. TA walkers are allowed to put up a tent. We'll stay there the night and the water taxi takes us across in the morning at 10 o'clock or something. Look down at the end there, the wharfy thing. That's where the water taxi picks us up. Vivian just saw a sign on the side of the road saying inquire, just inquire within, you know, BnB and whatnot. So we're sleeping here tonight. We've got a bed.
And a bed.
Got a bathroom and a shower, and we've got a bed. Signing off for the day. A good day.
Good day, but it was
We're
pretty
tired.
challenging.
It was challenging. It was a hard day.
One. Yeah.
Hard day, but absolutely stunningly beautiful.
Beautiful view.
Yeah. Cool, okay. Good day on the TA.